Right, so here we're just painting this basket with a solution of coffee. It's just coffee and water, there's nothing else in there. It's just your regular coffee out of the jar. There you go. Do you want to do another dip? Okay, so just be careful you move everything out of the way because you don't want to stain anything with coffee. Like your walls and things, be careful. You can't move your walls away, but you know, just be careful of splatters. But can you see how that colour's changing? So we've done like 2 layers. This was like, I'll show you the colour. This is the colour, yeah, and this is the colour that we're getting. Look at the difference. So the reason why we're doing this, why we're painting this with coffee, is to give it this beautiful golden colour. See? Like that, okay.
Makes it look more chic.
It looks very chic, yes. And you're going to wonder what we're making. Yeah, we're making a fruit basket. It's for a gift. We did want one in a darker wood colour, but we couldn't find any. So we thought, okay, the next best thing is let's make it darker. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to make a bouquet using these chocolates and these ones. We're going to need some tissue paper and we'll be needing this box. So you'll see. We'll need a glue gun and some glue sticks. You'll need quite a few of these. Do you want a shot on there as well?
Oh. Do you know barbecue lagi with wooden sticks? Yeah.
I'm not sure how big I need this for, so I'm just going to cut one lot of squares and we'll test it out. We'll do it a little bit different to what we did for... It's not ready yet. Is it heating up? It's heating up, but it's not ready yet. I'm just preparing these. Yeah. So I didn't record how I did any of this, but anyway.
Wasn't even it's 27. Was it?
Doesn't matter. No one's going to see it.
Did you know that? Yeah. Why did they change colour?
Only your nails have done a bit better.
Oh yeah.
To make these we chose to use a glue gun, but you don't have to use a glue gun. You could use regular glue. However, with regular glue you've got to wait for the glue to dry, and with a glue gun it just dries straight away, so it's a lot quicker. No, this one's already stuck down from before.
Hummus break. It's a break. It's the break.
How come this is not?
Don't worry.
I'd show you, but you know why you scoff.
And I'm not wearing
Tell us a hummus.
Good girl.
Look at that.